Okay, let's start our first exercise. In first exercise, we are going to design this part. As you can see, there are 4 views here in this part. Is front view, side view, top view, and this is isometric view for the part. So basically, you can see dimensions in these 3 views, and we can have an 3D idea about the part from this isometric view. So let's start a new part in Solidworks. Select part here and select OK. Then we have the interface to develop our part. So we have to choose a plane from here to sketch. So we are going to choose one plane for now and select right click on here and select sketch. So first we are going to start with drawing like this, and then select line and go horizontally line like this. Right. Then we are going to sketch these one few entities. First just sketch, and then we can define them with the dimensions. Right. Right. As you can see, this sketch is symmetric, so we can mirror these entities to other side using mirror entities page. Choose mirror entities. So simply select these entities and select the center line. As you can see, we have mirrored all entities to other side. Then we are going to draw this arc. Right. Then we are going to remove these excess parts. As you can see, we can see this part. So we are using trim entities feature for that. Just simply cut them out. Right. Now you can see kind of similar sketch here. Now we are going to define this sketch. The radius has given as 10 here, and this height is given as 40. Right. Now we are seeing a problem, so we need to give a relation for these two lines, make coincident, so those 2 points will be horizontal now. So problem solved. The width of the block is 80, and this angle has given as 45, right? And this length between these 2 points has given as 10. Right? And this width I have given here as 40. Right. Now you can see the sketch has it converted to a flat sketch from two sketch. It means the sketch have been fully defined. So now we are going to add features to this sketch. So we are going to add extrude force feature. So we need to have an idea how much should be extrude. For that as we can see in this side view, the thickness of the basic part is 30, so we have to extrude from 30. Right? Choose line option here and give here 30. Right. Now we have developed the first part, and but there are other part, other extrusion part from here. So we are going to do that part now. Select this base and choose switch. Right. Now we are going to convert these edges to entities. From convert entities option, select the entity, select the edge, and simply add the cut entity. Right, like this. And now we are going to draw this arc. For that we are going to draw a full circle, and then we are going to trim the excess part. Draw the circle and then trim. It is actually easier than draw so now we have find the sketch. Now we are going to enter extrude feature for that. As you can see, this full thickness is 40 and the base thickness is 30. So this excess extrusion part thickness is 10. So we are going to extrude this excess part by 10. Right. Now as you can see, we are done with this sketch. We can compare this model with the three views we have given in the sketch: front view, side view, and top view, and also isometric view if needed. So as you can see, we have finished our first exercise here.